So hello friends, I have ordered a new product from Quartz Components. I am using Quartz Components for a very long time and it did not disappoint me at any moment. So you can also order it from here. The link is in the description. So here I am unboxing this. So as you have seen in the thumbnail that I have ordered a Bldc motor, that is brushless motor, for making a drone or any type of other plain materials. So here you can see the price, that is 424 with added GST. So you can order this from there. You can order any type of online, means electric products, electric components, that is small or big. So here you can see the order product. So you can see that it is well packaged with bubble wrap of a very good quality. So it means that your product won't get damaged. So here is a Bldc motor. I am using this Bldc motor for making a aeroplane. So that will also come on my channel. If you want to see the aeroplane, please go to my channel and subscribe my channel. Also like the video, and you can comment down below for any query. So now I am opening the packet. So here you can see that there was a stapler pin attached to it. So here you can see the first item, which is the mounting material, which can be used to attach the motor. So when I am holding this, it is very lightweight. I think it is made up of aluminium or any other alloy of aluminium. So it is very lightweight for the lightweight of for your drone or any type of airplane you are making. So now you can see there are the other components which is included in this pack. So here are the screws and the mount which is used for adding a blade, means the propeller. So here is the Bldc motor. I am holding this Bldc motor for the first time and I am very much surprised that it is very heavy in comparison with the drone motor, that is the coreless motors, which is small in size, and it is very much heavy and the size of the motor is quite big. The size and the weight of the motor is very much, but you know one thing, that it provides a thrust that is more than 1 kg, so that will be neglected. And all of you know that in Bldc motor the rotor is the whole body, means the whole body will rotate along with the propeller. So I will be making another video in which I will be showing you how you can connect the Bldc motor and use it with any type of ESC or with the Arduino board. So here it will be connected to this point with the help of the screws, and you can use this propeller mounting for adding a propeller. And you know one thing, that I am using this Bldc motor for the first time and I was connecting this propeller mounting part with the Bldc motor, and as I was using it for the first time, as I was not knowing that it can't be attached to it when you don't have the propellers, and propellers occupy some of the space, and after that you can attach to the Bldc motor. So I will be buying the propeller and the ESC after some days, and I will be making the unboxing video for that also. And now I was struggling to attach this propeller mounting material to the Bldc motor, so I skipped the part of the video. So if you like this video and you want more videos like this and the next part of this video, please be sure to subscribe my channel, also like the video and comment if you have any query. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.